Hello everybody, this is Jamie from Ikea Cats. Today we're going to build a doll bed from Ikea. But this will be a different doll bed, it'll be for cats. This is very popular on all the social medias and I can't wait to build it with you now. Stay tuned!
Hi you guys, it's Jamie. Welcome to Ikea Cats.
Okay, so here are all the parts that were in the box. These are the instructions. These are all the wood parts. Here's I'm not sure what this is, but I'll open it and figure that out. And here's the paint that I have on my own that I've been using for projects. I'm gonna go ahead and do a live build, so I'll be on live. So make sure you follow me so you can watch me do builds on live on all my social medias. And I will show you the price that I got this for right here on the side. So if you're interested in watching me build it in real time, please follow all my social medias. So in just a few seconds, you will see the finished built project. By the way, I use this glitter spray and I kind of just went shh, made a total mess, but I had a great time. Good project to do. Again, if you wanted to watch me do a step-by-step build, please follow my live accounts like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So when I go live, you can watch me build these projects. So now I'm gonna make it even more pizzazzy by painting my little decal on it. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I've added the soft blanket that she's comfortable with. And I found this little pillow because you know what? Perfect. Work with what you got. Isn't that adorable? Yes. My toddler thinks so too. I hope you have a good rest of the day. I hope this inspires you. I hope that you follow and subscribe. Do you like the bed, Domino? Is it beautiful? Is it nice?